In today's video, we'll see how to connect the new Databricks free edition with Tableau workbook. So once you are logged into this Databricks, you have to click on Marketplace. You have to search for Tableau. So coming here, okay. So once you scroll down, you'll see Tableau over here. Just click on this. And once this is there, you have to hit on this connect and download the connection file. It will download a connection file and then you have to click on connection file, and in few seconds that will be opened. It will ask for some authentication, and that's done now. I think we are sorted. So I'll go to data source. From data source, I'll connect on samples. As you can see now, I'm connected with Databricks, and from there I'll start with data sources. So I'll go with this AccuWeather dataset again. Yeah, so we have all these data source. Let's select one of the data set. Currently I'm not fine with this data set. Let's select New York taxi and start with, okay, so taxi trips. So we have this data over here. Let's click on this update now. Now as you can see, now we have this data, and because I converted this to extract, so it's asking me to save this type of file over there. Yeah, so we have this data. So that's how we connect the new Databricks 2025 edition with Tableau.